What are you doing here?
I am studying.
And here what you doing?
I am helping people.
How you are helping people?
Rice.
You're providing food,
Yeah, food.
water.
Water.
So you are helping people
Yeah.
because of earthquake.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Today I come from Fa Thai brand. Today I bring the food for the victim team.
What food you have got?
The noodle and food, chicken rice, yes, and with egg for prepare for the
Are you worried?
yes.
What you are saying?
I pray for them, yes, for to save.
No word on that from authorities this morning. I spoke to a few people earlier this morning. Oil was too soft, or the construction material used was not proper, or any body or any person alive being pulled out of it.
ไม่พอตรงนู้นมีอีกนะในเต็นท์นะตื่นมา
ไข่เจียวร้อนๆค่ะทุกท่านคนเจียวก็ร้อนคนเจียวร้อนกว่า